In order to manage your files within Adobe Spark, you're going to click on Projects. So once you're in Projects, you'll see all of your different files, whether they're videos, posts, or pages, populate on your screen. As you can see, I already have a folder titled Adobe Spark Schoology. So when I click on it, you'll see two of the files from this course. So I'm going to go back to my projects and show you how to create your own folders. So if you go up to the top right, you'll see a small folder icon with a plus symbol. Click on that. And then I'm going to make another folder. I'm going to put examples, create, and then you should see the folder pop up right here. And then from then on, you simply have to click and drag into the folders. Click here. Just drag your files where you want them to be. So when I click and open it, you'll find those files organized as wanted. Okay, and that is how you folderize your projects within Adobe Spark.